Welcome to Model Horse Tag School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to unbox the Freedom Series Gambler's Choice for the Mira Collector Club. Normally, I wouldn't do this because I don't really collect too many Freedom Series, but I'm starting to 3D print things for that scale, and I'm starting to need them. So this came in 3 possible colors. You had a black and white Appaloosa, it had a chestnut roan, and a brown pinto. So let's see what we got here. Aha, we got the brown pinto. Gotta do something with that. I mean, anyway, I prefer the pinto. I would have liked the black Appaloosa, black and white Appaloosa, but it is a gambler's choice. Let's see how she looks. There's something so sweet about this particular model or mold. What's that? Something really sweet about this mold. Really sweet face. Blue eye. Seams are clean. Masking looks clean. She's pretty. Really pretty. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 colors. Oh, 5 with the hooves. So that's a 5-color model that I can tell 5 colors. And oh, just a little bit of overspray right there. Alright, well, it's a good thing she's not going to show. And here's why I decided to do her, aside from the fact that it's a beautiful model. So I've been working on carts, and I'm going to have a different setup. So this is a prototype of what's called a presentation cart, and she's the perfect size for it. So, like I said, this is a prototype. It's the first one I've successfully assembled. I've had a lot of failures on this one, and even this one here, I drilled that hole too big, and now it's got this wobble, so I have to print a collar to fix that. And I'm not entirely sure about the size of the wheels, and wheels themselves are a pain in the butt. But anyways, what's cool about it is it would break into pieces so you can store it. And then, but you can't, there's no riders that'll fit in this, so I'm gonna have to double check my dimensions. But anyways, she's perfect for this. She's beautiful for this. And so if I can get it to work for the 1/12 scale, and she's probably one of those, mostly she is 1/12 scale. Some are just bigger, and she's a good size. But anyways, that was my thinking on getting her, and yeah, she would be great. I'd sell these as kits, by the way. Anyways, I'm going to continue on trying to do the carriages. Next thing I want to do is a marathon cart, but yeah, we'll see about that. This one here was already a huge pain in the butt because it's 4 wheels, and 4 wheels are always harder, because you have to get this here without the wheels bumping into each other. But if you look, the wheels bump into each other. So yeah, I've got issues with this one. I'll figure them out eventually. So that is Maya Gambler's Choice Collector Club, Mira Collector Club for 2026. And I really like her. She's perfect for what I need. Since she's never going to live show, she's just going to show off my cards. Well, thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have a really good day.